Hello dear students of 4th grade. Today I will discuss with you the third chapter of SST, that is timelines. Before we start the lesson, kindly go through the pages of your textbook which is on the screen. In this topic, we will basically study about Gregorian calendar, Saka calendar and arranging years on a timeline. So let's start the chapter. How do you think early humans kept track of time? तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्वेश्चंस पुट किया हुआ है कि आप क्या सोचते हो कि जो अर्ली ह्यूमंस थे, जो बहुत पहले हमारे पूर्वज थे, वो टाइम को कैसे ट्रैक करते थे, कैसे पता लगाते थे कि कितना टाइम हो चुका है. हाउ डिड दे मैनेज टू टाइम एक्टिविटीज लाइक प्लांटिंग ऑफ क्रॉप्स. Different methods were developed in human history to track time by using various types of clocks and calendars. The sun and the moon played a crucial role since time was tracked on the basis of their movement. In this paragraph, they say कि जो पहले जो लोग थे वो कैसे टाइम को मैनेज करते थे फसल को उगाने में, फसल को काटने के लिए. तो उनके पास बहुत ही अलग अलग मेथड से, अलग अलग तरीके थे जो उन्होंने डेवलप किए थे, विकसित किए थे. उनके अलग अलग टाइप के क्लॉक्स थे, कैलेंडर्स थे. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात तो ये है कि द सन एंड द मून एक्टिविटीज, मूवमेंट्स प्लेज अ वेरी वाइटल रोल इन अवर लाइव्स, बिकॉज विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज, द सन एंड द मून, द अर्ली ह्यूमन tracked the time very easily. The next paragraph is, a calendar is a chart or series of pages that show the days, weeks and months of a particular year. तो कैलेंडर को उन्होंने डिफाइन किया है कि कैलेंडर क्या है. एक चार्ट है, सीरीज है पेजेस की, जिसपे वो शो करते हैं हमारे डेज, वीक्स, हफ्ते और मंथ्स ऑफ अ पार्टिकुलर ईयर. We use calendars to maintain a record of important dates and events like birthday, anniversaries, holidays, etc. Calendars are very useful for us because with the help of calendars, we have a record of important dates. Which dates? Those are very important in our lives. For example, birthday, anniversaries, holidays, etc. Here first subtopic of this chapter is Gregorian calendar. The calendar we commonly use is called the Gregorian calendar. It is also called the New Style calendar. Gregorian calendar is commonly used by people. It is also known as New Style calendar. Before this, the Julian calendar proposed by Julius Caesar was used. Before use of Gregorian calendar, the Julius Caesar was proposed a calendar which is known as Julian calendar. The Gregorian calendar is originally from Europe. The years on the calendar are numbered from the time of birth of Jesus Christ. तो जो ग्रिगोरियन कैलेंडर है वो बेसिकली कहाँ से है? यूरोप से है. और जो इस कैलेंडर में जो ईयर्स हैं वो किस टाइम के ईयर्स हैं? द टाइम ऑफ द बर्थ ऑफ जीसस क्राइस्ट. जो जीसस क्राइस्ट का बर्थ हुआ था उस टाइम के ईयर्स हैं इस कैलेंडर में. So on the next page, some countries adopted the new style calendar from 1582. Some did not do so before the early 20th century. तो कुछ नेशंस ने इस चीज को अपना लिया था 1582 में, लेकिन कुछ नेशंस ने इसको 20th century में अपनाया. This calendar is based on the movement of Earth around the Sun, so it is a solar calendar. The Gregorian calendar is also known as solar calendar because it is based on the movement of Earth around the Sun. There are 12 months or 365 days in a year in this calendar. A leap year usually comes every 4 years and has 366 days. तो इस कैलेंडर में एज यूजुअल 12 महीने हैं, साल में 365 दिन है और लीप ईयर में 366 दिन है. द नेक्स्ट सब टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज साका कैलेंडर. द साका कैलेंडर इज द नेशनल कैलेंडर ऑफ इंडिया. It was adopted as the national calendar on 22nd March 1957. जो साका कैलेंडर है उसको हम इंडिया का नेशनल कैलेंडर भी बोल सकते हैं, और ये कब अडॉप्ट किया गया था एज अ नेशनल कैलेंडर? ऑन 22 मार्च को 1957 को. It is used by the government of India along with the Gregorian calendar in all their circulars, notice and announcements. So India's important circulars, notices and announcements are based on the Gregorian calendar with this Saka calendar. In the Saka calendar, the starting point is year 78 CE. CE stands for Common Era of the Gregorian calendar. It means that a date in the Saka calendar is 78 years less than the date in the Gregorian calendar. तो इस पैराग्राफ में वो बोल रहे हैं कि जो साका कैलेंडर का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है वो 78 CE है, जो कि ग्रिगोरियन कैलेंडर में पाया जाता है. और इसका मतलब ये कि जो डेट साका कैलेंडर में है वो 78 साल पहले की है. जस्ट लाइक द ग्रिगोरियन कैलेंडर, द साका कैलेंडर इज अ सोलर कैलेंडर. बोथ ऑफ देम, ग्रिगोरियन कैलेंडर एंड साका कैलेंडर्स आर नोन एज सोलर कैलेंडर्स. इट हैज ऑल्सो हैव 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year. In this calendar, the first month of the year is चैत्रा. तो साका कैलेंडर में जो सबसे पहला महीना है उसको हम चैत्रा बोलते हैं. You know that 100 years make a century. आप सब जानते हैं कि जो 100 साल है वो मिलके एक सेंचुरी बनाते हैं. सेंचुरी मीन्स सदी. But do you know how to calculate a century? क्या आप जानते हो कि सेंचुरी को कैलकुलेट कैसे किया जा सकता है? Let us know. Well, if you add 1 to the first 2 digits of the year, you get the century. For example, today we are living in 2020. Okay. Here today date is 27th of May 2020. So it means 2020. 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. So here we are living in the 21st century. For example, if you were born in 1998, then 19 plus 1 centuries or the 20th century. India got independence in 1947, which is also the 20th century. तो जो इंडिया है वो आजाद भी 20वीं सदी में हुआ था, 20th century में हुआ था. I hope so you understand how to calculate the century. Last subtopic of this chapter is arranging years on a timeline. The arrangement of events on a line to show the time and order in which these events occurred is called a timeline. तो टाइमलाइन को डिफाइन किया है इन्होंने कि जो इवेंट्स होते हैं उनको टाइम अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम और सिस्टमेटिक मैनर में ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए हम टाइमलाइन को यूज करते हैं. दिस प्रोसेस हेल्प्स इन स्टडिंग इवेंट्स इन हिस्ट्री बेटर, और दीज आर वेरी हेल्पफुल टू अंडरस्टैंड द हिस्ट्री. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द नंबरिंग ऑफ ईयर्स इन द ग्रिगोरियन कैलेंडर. तो अब हम ग्रिगोरियन कैलेंडर में नंबरिंग ऑफ ईयर्स की नंबरिंग को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. AD एंड CE. AD stands for Anno Domini. It comes from Latin, and CE stands for Common Era. We can also say CE as a Christian era. The letter AD were written before the years that represent the time after the birth of Christ. तो जीसस क्राइस्ट के बर्थ के बाद जो ईयर्स थे उनके पहले हम AD लिखते थे. AD stands for Anno Domini in reference to Jesus Christ. These days, however, the term AD has been replaced with CE. So AD को replace किसने किया? CE ने. CE means Common Era. Here we can see birth of Christ, AD years, old terminology, CE years, new terminology. बिफोर द ईयर्स. तो यहाँ पे देखो ईयर बाद में है, AD जो है वो पहले लिखा हुआ है, बट एज इन अ CE ईयर पहले लिखा हुआ है, CE बाद में. सेम हेयर AD 2000 or 2000 CE, 2018 CE. The next one is BC and BCE. BC stands for before Christ and BCE refers to before Common Era. The years before the birth of Christ were represented by writing the letters BC after the numbers. So here the years जो represent करते हैं, indicate करते हैं, writing the letters BC after the numbers. numbers के बाद हम BC लिखते हैं जो जीसस क्राइस्ट के जन्म के पहले के ईयर्स थे उनमें. BC stands for before Christ. However, just like AD, as like AD, this terminology too has now been changed to BCE. Same here, BC has been replaced with BCE, which stands for before Common Era. In case of the year before the birth of Christ, Christ के जन्म से पहले और the time before the Common Era से पहले, the counting is done backwards from year 1. तो year 1 से पहले जो counting थी उनको हम backwards कहते थे, backwards count करते थे, और 1 के बाद जो year से उनको हम as a forward count करते हैं. Here we can see year 1, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. The years before the birth of Christ have BC written after them and are counted as backwards. The year after the birth, before the birth of Christ, after the birth of Christ, have CE written after them and are counted forwards. For example, year 300 BC came before year 200 BC. जो 300 BCE ईयर है वो 200 BCE के बाद आ रहा है. बट 500 C केम बिफोर 800 CE. लेकिन जो 500 CE है वो 800 के पहले आ रहा है. This system helps us in numbering years and studying history before the birth of Christ or the Common Era. These are very helpful for us to count, to numbering the years, studying history and before the birth of Christ or the Common Era. So chapter 3 is finished. I hope so students will understand chapter number 3. Now we will discuss book exercise of this chapter. As we all know that we did it book exercise of this chapter in assignment number 3. So first one is fill in the blanks. The dash calendar came into existence in Europe. The dash calendar, here we can find the answer on page number 13. Last paragraph. The Gregorian calendar is originally from Europe. Which one? Gregorian. So here we can write the answer Gregorian. The second one is the Saka calendar is the dash calendar of India. Here we find the answer on page number 14. Second subtopic of this chapter. First line, the Saka calendar is the national calendar of India. With national calendar. Here we can write the answer national. The third one is the years after the birth of Christ are counted. Page number 15. Here we can see the years after the birth of Christ have CE written after them and are counted forwards. Here we can write the answer forwards. The dash calendar was adopted on 22nd March 1957. Again page number 14. It was adopted as the national calendar on 22nd March 1957. It means the Saka calendar. Here we can write the answer Saka. The full form of AD is Anno Domini. AD stands for Anno Domini. The second one is tick the correct answer. Differences of years between the Gregorian and Saka calendar is option A 50 years, 78 years, 79 years. So here on page number 14. It means that a date in the Saka calendar is 78 years less than the date in the Gregorian calendar. So right option is B, 78 years. In earlier times, time was tracked on the basis of the movement of sun, moon or both A and B. So here we can find the answer on page number 13. The sun and the moon played a crucial role. Crucial means very important, since time was tracked on the basis of their movement. So here option C is correct, both A and B. A means sun, B means moon. In case of years, after the birth of Christ, the counting is done forwards. Option A is correct, forwards on page number 15. The years after the birth of Christ have C written after them are counted forwards. The fourth one is the number of days in a leap year. Option A 366 days. Option B 365 days. Option C 364 days. Here we can find the answer on page number 14. A leap year usually comes every 4 years and has 366 days. Option A is correct. The last one is first month of the Saka calendar is option A Baisakhi, option B Falgun, option C Chaitra. Again page number 14. In this calendar, the first month of the year is Chaitra. So option C is correct, Chaitra. Next question is state true or false. First one is the terminology AD has now been replaced with BCE. Is it false or true? AD has been replaced with CE, not BCE. So it is false. Second one is the